2012 Chevy Avalanche 5.3 liter V8. My favorite color, blue, 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 blue. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single, and it's got the dreaded third cat right there. Then what we did is straight pipe duals with a Y pipe. All the way back, 2 1/4 tailpipes into 5-inch tips. Mandrel bent. Came out absolutely beautiful. Look at that beautiful beast. Just a really nice truck all the way around. There it is. That's how you dual them out. And now we'll let you guys hear it in a second. 2007 Chevy Avalanche 5.3 liter beast of a truck. What we got done on it for you guys today. Got the stock catalytic converters there and there. And then guess what, boys and girls? True duals. All the way back, 2 1/4 into mandrel bent 2 1/4 tailpipes. All the way back, there and there. Into 4-inch tips, angle cut. There and there. We took all this crap off. Nobody likes mufflers around here. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Came out absolutely magnificent, if I would say myself. There we go. Sound decibels. One more. Right at 105. Not too bad. I think it sounds beautiful. Magnificent, man. It's a beautiful truck too. Let you guys hear on the inside. Beautiful. Sound decibels. Again. 114. That is, in my book, pretty loud. Shakes the wax in your ears. I think it sounds phenomenal. Tell me you guys don't like that. You'd be crazy not to like that. LTZ, baby. Let you hear it on the inside. Chevy Avalanche. Avalanche. Beast mode. Yeah. Huh?
No.
True dual. True. 2 pipes all the way back.